10 coolest garden gadgets you can actually buy. Gardening has never been more exciting. With the advent of creative and innovative tools, even the simplest garden tasks can be turned into fun, efficient, and rewarding activities. From maintaining a lush lawn to adding a magical glow to your garden at night, these gadgets are here to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. The Vertex ST590 Lawn Cart. The Vertex ST590 Lawn Cart is the ultimate gardening assistant, designed to make transporting heavy loads a breeze. This sturdy and well-designed cart is perfect for carrying soil, plants, tools, and even rocks around your garden. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures that it won't tip over easily, and the large pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver across different terrains, whether it's gravel, grass, or dirt. With a comfortable handle and ample space for your gardening supplies, this lawn cart saves your back from unnecessary strain while keeping everything within easy reach. But this cart isn't just about utility. It's also about convenience. It features a tilt and dump design, allowing you to easily unload its contents with minimal effort. Whether you're moving mulch to your flower beds or collecting leaves during fall cleanup, the Vertex ST590 is a game changer. Plus, its compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space in your garage or shed, making it a must-have for gardeners who value efficiency and practicality. Garden Gloves by VTY. Say goodbye to bulky gloves that make gardening feel clumsy and frustrating. The Garden Gloves by VTY are an absolute delight for anyone who loves getting their hands dirty. These gloves are not only durable but also feature built-in claw tips on the fingers, making them perfect for digging, planting, and raking small areas without the need for additional tools. The breathable material ensures your hands stay comfortable and sweat-free, even during long gardening sessions. The best part? These gloves are designed to fit snugly, offering excellent dexterity and protection from thorns, splinters, and dirt. Whether you're working with delicate flowers or tough weeds, these gloves provide a secure grip and unmatched versatility. Plus, they're easy to clean, just rinse them off with water, and they're ready for the next round of gardening adventures. Handheld Grass Cutter Shears. For gardeners who love precision, the handheld grass cutter shears are a dream come true. These shears are ideal for trimming edges, shaping bushes, and snipping stray blades of grass that your lawnmower might miss. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, they allow you to work with ease, even for extended periods. The sharp stainless steel blades ensure clean cuts every time, promoting healthy growth and preventing jagged edges. These shears aren't just about cutting, they're about control. The compact design lets you maneuver them into tight spaces, ensuring every corner of your garden looks neat and tidy. Whether you're maintaining a manicured lawn or crafting intricate designs in your hedges, these shears make the job quick and satisfying. They're a perfect blend of precision and convenience, making them an essential tool for detail-oriented gardeners. The AeroGarden Bounty Basic. Bring the joy of gardening indoors with the AeroGarden Bounty Basic. This smart indoor gardening system lets you grow fresh herbs, vegetables, or flowers right in your kitchen, no matter the season. The AeroGarden uses hydroponic technology, meaning no soil is required, just water, nutrients, and light. Its built-in LED grow lights mimic natural sunlight, ensuring your plants thrive even in low-light environments. The AeroGarden is incredibly user-friendly, with a control panel that reminds you when to add water and nutrients. It even adjusts the light intensity automatically. Imagine having fresh basil, mint, or cherry tomatoes at your fingertips, ready to enhance your cooking. Not only does it bring greenery into your home, but it also fosters a sense of accomplishment as you watch your plants flourish. The iPower 3-in-1 Test Kit. Healthy plants start with healthy soil, and the iPower 3-in-1 Test Kit is your secret weapon for achieving that. This versatile gadget measures soil moisture, fit levels, and light intensity, giving you all the data you need to optimize growing conditions. With its easy-to-read analog display and no batteries required, it's a straightforward tool for gardeners of all experience levels. Using the iPower Test Kit can save you from common gardening mistakes, like overwatering or planting in soil that's too acidic. Simply insert the probes into the soil, and within seconds, you'll have a clear understanding of what your plants need. This tool not only promotes healthier plants but also helps you avoid wasting water and fertilizers, making it an eco-friendly choice. The Sonato Smart Kitchen Electric Composter. Turn your kitchen waste into garden gold with the Sonato Smart Kitchen Electric Composter. This compact and energy-efficient device transforms food scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just a matter of hours. Its odor-reducing technology ensures that composting is clean and hassle-free, making it perfect for indoor use. Whether it's vegetable peels, coffee grounds, or eggshells, the Sonato composter breaks it down into a soil amendment that your plants will love. What sets this composter apart is its simplicity. With just a push of a button, the Sonato does all the work for you. It's a great way to reduce food waste while enriching your garden soil. Plus, its sleek design blends seamlessly into modern kitchens, making it a practical and eco-conscious addition to any home. My Critter Catcher. Gardening often means encountering critters, but my Critter Catcher lets you handle them humanely and safely. This ingenious tool features soft bristles that gently trap insects like spiders or beetles without harming them. Its long handle keeps you at a safe distance, making it ideal for those who are squeamish about getting too close to bugs. What's great about this tool is its versatility. It's perfect for use both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're relocating a wayward butterfly from your living room or moving a spider out of your greenhouse, my Critter Catcher makes it a stress-free process. It's a win-win for nature lovers who want to keep their gardens and homes critter-friendly. Willy Garden Gnome Statue Bird Feeder. The Willy Garden Gnome Statue Bird Feeder is not just a functional bird feeder, but also a charming garden ornament. This quirky gnome statue holds a bowl for birdseed, attracting a variety of feathered friends to your garden. Made from weather-resistant materials, it's built to withstand the elements while adding a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. Beyond its practical use, this bird feeder creates an opportunity to enjoy birdwatching from the comfort of your home. It's a delightful way to bring life and color to your garden while supporting local wildlife. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or a casual gardener, Willy the Gnome is sure to bring a smile to your face. The Denowise Solar Garden Lights. Transform your garden into a magical oasis with the Denowise Solar Garden Lights. These solar-powered lights charge during the day and illuminate your garden at night with a soft, ambient glow. The lights are designed to resemble delicate flowers, adding an enchanting aesthetic to your outdoor space. What's more, these lights are eco-friendly and require zero maintenance. Simply place them in sunny spots, and they'll automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Whether you're hosting an evening garden party or simply enjoying a quiet night under the stars, the Denowise Solar Garden Lights create the perfect atmosphere. The Plant Nanny Wine Bottle Stake Set. Hydration is key for healthy plants, and the Plant Nanny Wine Bottle Stake Set makes watering effortless and eco-friendly. These ceramic stakes use recycled wine bottles as reservoirs, slowly releasing water into the soil as needed. It's a perfect solution for keeping your plants hydrated while you're away or simply reducing the time spent watering. The stakes are as stylish as they are practical, blending seamlessly into your garden decor. They're ideal for potted plants, flower beds, or even vegetable gardens. By providing consistent moisture, the Plant Nanny ensures your plants thrive, making it a must-have for any busy gardener. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.